Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Urban Rise Revolution 1, which is located in Paddur, Chennai, a project developed by Urban Rise developers. And today we'll be doing the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. So right now we are here standing on the land parcel of the project, and this is the land parcel. So basically you can check out almost the construction work is finished. So basically this is nearly positioned project. If you are looking for nearly positioned, then this project suits you perfectly, and this part of the project has been delivered and residencies are residing over here. Now let me inform you that the marketing office is just on my left hand side over here. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform, where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number gets shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with developers. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview, and this project is coming up in total 12.9 acres of land parcel consisting of total 8 towers, each tower of 2 basement ground plus 19 floors, having exclusive 1, 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies, where 1 BHK and 3 BHK is completely sold out and currently 2 BHK is available for y'all in near possession. Now about the location part, and the project is located bang on OMR Main Road in Paddur, Chennai. So basically let me show you the connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Chettinad Hospital in just 750 meters from the project. Hindustan College is just 850 meters away, and Marina Mall is 4.5 kilometers away from the location of the project. And now about the amenities part. So the project is coming up with luxurious amenities like a grand clubhouse, swimming pool, jogging track, kids play area, landscape garden, gymnasium and many more amenities. Now coming to the super built up area. So as mentioned, this project has 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK, where 1 and 3 BHK are sold out, and currently we have availability in 2 BHK large. So basically 2 BHK is up to 888 square feet super built up area. Now about the booking process, and the project booking window is operational right now. So we are inviting our interested client to come and visit the site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the model flat as well. And then if clients like the project, they can directly proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was a project overview of Urban Rise Revolution 1, which is located in Paddur, Chennai, a project developed by Urban Rise developers.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.